Hi, in this video I will show you how to remove videos from TikTok favorites section. You added a video to your favorite section and now you want to delete that video. Simply you can follow this procedure. First of all, open your TikTok mobile application, and right now I select this video to add it to my favorites. So this video is added to my favorites. Now you have to click on your profile from the right bottom and you will see this icon is here. Simply you have to tap on it and you will see your all videos that is your favorite here. Right now I selected this video to favorite, and to make it unfavorite, click on the share again, and from here you have to click on the remove from favorite, and now this video is removed from your favorites. So this is the way you can remove videos from your favorite. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.